Welcome to our tutorial on B2B price optimization with SnapTrade. In this video, we will show you how to set business prices and quantity discounts for your items and optimize them compared to competitors on Amazon Business. A prerequisite is an Amazon seller account linked to SnapTrade and selling on the Amazon Business Marketplace. Let's start with the marketplace settings in SnapTrade. Navigate to Account Marketplaces. Choose the Amazon Marketplace you want and click on the B2B Settings tab. For additional information on each setting option, you can use the tooltips by hovering the mouse pointer over the input fields, or click on the question mark symbol in the top right corner to access the help function. On the marketplace, you can store general settings that are relevant to your entire range, for example, by saving the desired strategy. Quantity discounts can also be set for your items here. Individual strategies and quantity discounts can be directly assigned to each item. These take priority over the general settings of the marketplace. In order to do this, switch to the Item Overview under Items, and select an item from the list. Here you can adjust the settings for B2B price optimization. Additionally, quantity discounts can be set or overridden by the marketplace. It is recommended to also use the tooltips and our online help here. You need to activate the B2B price optimization on the item and select a strategy. You can enter the quantity at which the discount tier starts, as well as the price difference from the previous tier. If you've set up quantity discounts in Seller Central, they'll auto-import into SnapTrade and can be adjusted as needed. SnapTrade requires a price range for setting the business price. This is calculated based on the B2C item and taking into account the tiers and intervals. These calculated price ranges can be overridden. Additional costs such as extra shipping fees can be included in each discount tier. These are taken into account during the automatic calculation of price ranges. In your article under the B2B Offers tab, you will receive a list of your own B2B offer as well as the competitors listed on the Amazon Business Marketplace. In the Price Change tab, you can see the price changes made by SnapTrade and sent to Amazon. Of course, you can conveniently activate price optimization for the item via the CSV file. The B2B strategy and values for quantity discounts of each tier can be controlled via the CSV file. To accomplish this, initially download the items. Input the values in the corresponding columns of the file and subsequently import them by utilizing the Upload Items feature. After all settings made, activate B2B price optimization in Dashboard. After that, SnapTrade starts price optimization of your B2B items and transferring adjusted prices to Amazon. Thanks for following our tutorial on B2B price optimization. If you have any questions or need help, please contact us.